So this is the Blue Logic Bluetooth module. Basically what it is it just plugs into the back of the radio, has all of its own wiring here, as well as a external mic right here that you have to route. It has the controller right here, which is for answering, hanging up, and also adjusting just the Bluetooth volume, which is awesome. I hate having to turn up the volume when someone is talking, and then it switches back to the radio, and then it's just blasting the music. As you can see, there's not much wiring to it. Really easy to install. First things first, I just need to take out the tablet. We'll start pulling off all the trim in order to get behind the radio. That easy to get it off. Now let's pull the panel. I don't have a panel popper or a like a panel pry bar, so if I can't get it off, I'll use a screwdriver with a microfiber towel, just so I don't like mar the edges or anything. Besides that, it's just clips holding it in. You'll have to unplug the buttons, but that's really easy. Here we are, guys. Radio and all the trims removed. You can see all the plugs right here, which are actually really short. It's actually kind of difficult to get them out. Usually you have a little more play in the wiring. For whatever reason, these guys are really short. I have this guy here protecting the shifter. See all the trim removed. It's really not a hard job. That took maybe like 10 minutes. For now, I went ahead and removed the blank right down here, because you can access it from right here. It'll be really easy to route. So I'll just put it in the blank spot right here. It should be fine for now. But like I was saying, it just plugs into the back of the radio, so we can just grab that harness and we'll start plugging it in. And on the upside, it'll give us a little more play, so you're not so limited with the room behind the radio when you're trying to like unplug it or plug it back in. This is the harness. Go ahead and take this guy off, stretch this guy out. As you can see, it's already pre-fused. And this is the radio side. This side plugs into the harness from the car. These three guys plug into the radio, and then these guys over here plug into the module, which we'll have to mount back here somewhere, probably down below right here, because there's plenty of room down below behind the radio. Alright, here we go, guys. Everything is in and mounted. I zip tied all this together. Just temporarily, I'll zip tie it to the rest of the harness. I got my Bluetooth control buttons routed through that blank. I'm not 100% sure which one's the top and which one's the bottom, so I need to turn it on and test it out first to see. The next thing that we need to do is plug the radio in and make sure it all works. Alright, you guys, it's all plugged in and put back in. I did figure out that the one with the little slot is the up, and then you have the bottom one has two little dots on it, so that's the down one. But I don't have anything else plugged in, so I'll get some errors because I don't have the park plugged in. But let's go ahead and power it up. Alright, so I have my Bluetooth open. I'm supposed to hold this for 8 seconds until it beeps 3 times. So now it should be in pairing mode. Pair new device. Alright, so it popped up. We have the Blue Logic right here. We'll go ahead and click on that guy. And now it's paired. First, let's go ahead and take this bag off the mic real fast while we're testing it outside. Put the mic just on top of the steering column. I think that's the best place to put it, and I won't have to run it up along any of the pillars or mess with any of the airbags or anything like that. But let's go ahead and make a call and see if it works. There we are, it works. The volume seems to work. The only thing about this system is the audio only comes out of the front 2 speakers. Let me go ahead and get this thing all buttoned up. We'll get the tablet back in here, and then we'll test it with sound on, so having something playing, and then we'll go ahead and test it for receiving a call, not just calling.